Hello and welcome to this setup and customization video for SecureDrive BT. In this video, we will be covering how to pair the drive with your mobile device. Let's get started. First, make sure that your mobile device has Bluetooth turned on. Then connect the drive to a computer with the included USB 3.0 cable. To pair the drive with your mobile device, start the SecureData Lock app and tap the plus icon. Next, tap the drive name that appears and enter the device ID found on the top of your drive. Wait for the blinking red LED to appear, and your drive is now paired with your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.